So I've done a lot of recruiting videos, and I was just on a call with a big firm today on, they're like, there's a lot of people leaving and they're looking for new top talent.
Yeah.
And so it just kind of struck with what you're talking about with, you know, DEI and like, so we're sitting here telling the stories, right? Like Producify or me, and like, okay, so we got the images, we got the value prop.
Yeah, I mean, I also think, you know, for organizations, I think they miss out on opportunities to recruit, right? So one thing that I've really done successfully is, like, how do you use your employees to recruit, right? And especially if you're wanting to expand the diversity within your candidate pools, like, how do you take advantage of the people that are already in your organization to get the message out to the communities that they live and work in and the people that they interact with? So we would create, like, especially for like high priority or hard to fill roles, like we had a talent acquisition marketing team or recruiting marketing team, and they would kind of create pre-made postings for roles that we would send out to our employee resource groups. It's like, hey, this week here's talent acquisitions top roles that they're trying to fill. Can you post this on LinkedIn? Can you post this on Twitter? Can you post this on Facebook? And you know, it has the links to the job profiles right in there, and get this out to your networks, right? Like, that is free, unpaid advertising, right? That is just your employees talking about what a great place it is to work in your organization. And it's probably connecting you to networks and people that you may not be connected otherwise. And that's easy and, I mean, relatively free, right? It's
super,
you know, if you have someone super low hanging,
yeah.
It's not building this expensive partnership with an organization and you're donating or going under contract for all this, you know, all this money. It's, hey, can someone spend 30 minutes kind of creating a template for those various social media platforms for us to distribute out to our employees?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.